All right, welcome to the WASI 2023 Further Mathematics, Vectors and Mechanics section. So we are under part 3 of the WASI Elective Mathematics, paper 2, question 14, Vectors and Mechanics. Before we begin, please, if you have already subscribed to this channel, I want to say thank you for doing so. Then also, if you are yet to, please, I want to urge you to do it now. And thank you for subscribing to this channel. Now let's look at the question. 14. A particle of mass 2 kg moves under the action of a force, a constant force, F Newton, with an initial velocity 3I plus 2j meters per second and a velocity of 15I minus 4j meters per second. After 4 seconds, find the acceleration of the particle, the magnitude of the force F, magnitude of the velocity of the particle after 8 seconds, correct to 3 decimal places. So, let's begin. Let's pick this information from the question. We have the u, which is the initial velocity, to be 3I plus 2g meters per second. Then we also have the v, which is the final velocity, to be 15I minus 4j meters per second. Then again, we have the time, which is 4 seconds from the question. So this was the information we picked from the question. Now we are going to, since it is constant motion, we are going to use this equation of constant motion, v equal u plus at. So we are going to substitute the v here, the u here, and the t here, so that we solve for a, which is acceleration. So let's substitute. The final velocity will be equal to, so 15I minus 4j will be equal to 3I plus 2j. Now let's move the 3I plus 2j right here, so that we'll get something like this. So let's expand this to get 15I minus 4j minus 3I plus minus 2j equal 4a. So we regroup them. So we group the I times and the j terms. So now 15I minus 3I will give you 12I, and negative 4j minus 2j will be minus 4j minus 2j will be minus 6j. So we divide through by 4. When we divide through by 4, we get acceleration equal 12I over 4 minus 6j over 4. And that will give us 3I minus 1.5j. So that is the acceleration of the particle in meters per second squared. So 3I minus 1.5j meters per second squared. Remember to add the unit, because marks will be awarded for that. Then we have the c, magnitude of the velocity of the particle after 8 seconds. So after 8 seconds, now we have this information, F equal magnitude times acceleration. We know the acceleration to be 3I minus 1.5j that we found here. So the mass in kilogram is given by 2 kg in the question. So when we expand this, we get 6I minus 3j. Remember that the magnitude of a force or a vector AI, a force AI plus BJ is equal to, the magnitude is equal to square root of A squared plus B squared. So we are going to use that formula here. The A is 6 and the B is -3. So that will give us 6 squared plus -3 squared. That will give us square root of 36 plus 9. And that will give us square root of 45, which is 3 root 5 newtons. Again, remember to add the units because marks will be awarded. Now the C part of the question says that we have to find the magnitude of the velocity of the particle after 8 seconds, correct to 3 decimal places. So this time our information will be u equal 3I plus 2j, which is the initial velocity. The final velocity we don't know yet. Then after 8 seconds, so final velocity after 8 seconds is what we are looking for. We know the acceleration of the particle to be 3I minus 1.5j. So we still use v equal u plus v equal u plus 80, v equal u plus 80. So when we do that, we substitute the v, we substitute the u, we substitute the u, substitute the a acceleration, and we simplify. So when we multiply 8 by 3, we get 24I minus 12j. Again, we group the items and add. So 3I plus 24I will be 27I. Then 2I minus 12I, 2j minus 12j will be 10j. So we get 27I minus 10j. So magnitude of this, we still use this formula, will be equal to square root of 27 squared plus -10 squared. And that will give us 729 plus 100, square root of 829. Then to 3 decimal places, we get 28.792 meters per second. So thank you so much for returning to this channel. Yes, more interesting videos that we'll be watching. The question 15 will be posted very soon. So please just subscribe to this channel if you have not done yet, so that immediately I upload it, it will notify you that I've uploaded it. Then also, I would like to also plead with you to share this video. Share it please with your colleagues, and thank you for supporting my channel in these ways. See you, God willingly, in the next video.